G'day guys, Craig, Bendigo Hydroblasting. Spur of the moment decision to pick up the camera today. I've got 6 Porsche heads off a 911 that I've been asked to clean up. I'm going to just quickly show you what I've got, what we do, and what they look like when we're finished. So bear with me for a minute or two. So here's 3 of them as they've been delivered. You can see they're basically straight off the engine. Fairly dirty, got a bit of celastic and stuff on them. That's all carbon build-up. He's actually cut the valve seats by the look of things. I'm going to dry blast these and then wet blast them, and they will come out looking Mickey Mouse. So to get the carbon and stuff off, we'll wander over here. I've got one in the dry blaster already. That's what happens when I dry blast them. That basically quickly removes any caked on stuff and saves the water in my hydroblaster from getting filthy dirty. So I give them a quick go in here, then we chuck them in this big machine here, and then when they come out, they look like that. So just quickly before I show you the finished products, here's another look at, this is the befores. See, they're quite nasty. This is after they've been in the dry blasting cabinet. No crap left on them at all. Very dull finish. And there's 2 that have been in the hydroblasting cabinet with a very, very nice shiny finish. Ideal for the 911 restoration. And I won't jump the gun and show you the 6. I'll give you a quick look inside the blast cabinet at one being cleaned up before I show you the 6 completed ones. So here we are guys, inside the magic machine. We'll kick this thing in the guts and give you a look at what goes on. So there you go guys, there's the 6 of them, all out of the hydroblasting cabinet. In a matter of 3.5 hours work, they've gone from Peter White ugly to absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Customer's going to be really happy with that, and every time the customer lifts the hood on this, he's going to see that. Anyway, that's what we can do here at Bendigo Hydroblasting. So guys, as promised, it was a quick video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hook us up if you want some work done. And I'll catch you in the next video.